Today, I'm going to show you how to add a Read More text on your Wix website in a simple and relaxing way. First, open your Wix editor and let your site load. On the left side, click Add Elements, then choose Text and go to Paragraphs. Select the paragraph style you prefer and place it on your page. Once you have your text added, look for the part where you want to shorten the content. Choose a word or phrase, usually Read More, and highlight it. Now, click Add Link. Here, you can link the extended information, such as a full description of your services, an About page, or anything you want your visitors to read in full. This helps keep your page clean while still giving people access to more details. After linking the continuation of the paragraph, make sure everything looks neat and organized. And there you have it, your Read More text is ready. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.